Hello everybody. If this stream is laggy for some reason, which it shouldn't be laggy, because I'm not even driving a car, I'm sorry. Well, I'm recording a video for this as well.
Yeah, get it, Grant.
So, yeah.
Yeah. What happened?
Denver's gonna lose.
Just...
Denver's gonna win on three. Three.
Hey, Lucky, can I go sit by you? I kind of miss you.
So you kind of miss me?
No. We all have it.
Where's the judge? I've been waiting for 30 minutes.
got everybody in here.
Yo, looking fun.
Damper's gonna lose. Damper's gonna lose.
Welcome in, Dalen. Oh, what's up, Tiger? Yeah,
The judge doesn't show up in 15 minutes. We get
but you, like, yeah,
Joe, good man. Get on, Joe.
Alright, should be starting soon.
Stand up, y'all.
Oh, we gotta stand now? Alright, we're all standing now. Alright, let's... Oh, wow.
Please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly listen to this case and render a true verdict and a fair sentence as to this defendant?
Say I do, please.
Yes, this is Greenville.
Okay.
You now may be seated.
Alright, I will be selecting the foreman. You in the cowboy hat. Alright, you will be the foreman. You will be in charge of the jury. You'll be letting us know about the verdict, alright? You understand? Yeah, you guys may be seated, but you're going to be the foreman. Talking to this guy. Yeah, okay. You know what?
You will be
Alright.
coordinating with the jury for your verdict.
Okay. Right. Members of the jury, your duty today will be to determine whether the defendant is guilty or not guilty based on only the facts and evidence provided in this case. The prosecution must prove that a crime was committed and that the defendant is the person who committed the crime. However, if you are not satisfied with the defendant's guilt to the extent, then reasonable doubt exists and the defendant must be found guilty. Alright. Mr. Townsend, what's today's case?
Your Honor, today's case is James Williams versus Josh Calambo.
Alright. Is the prosecution ready? Prosecution, are you guys ready? Okay.
I am ready.
Prosecution, are you going to be able to speak? Do you have access to speak?
Yes.
Okay, so he does have access.
My lawyer can listen, but he can't speak. But he can talk in chat if that's allowed.
I guess, but he's going to be typing a lot. Is the defense ready?
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
Defense is ready? Alright. Take a look at this discovery real quick. All right. The defense, who will be the attorney for the defense? Please state your name.
Landon, that's you.
Oh, sorry. Landon Chase.
And then, so Mr. Chase. All right. And then, the defendant. What? Please state your full name. That's you, Denver.
James Williams.
Okay. All right, Mr. Williams. Alrighty, Mr. Williams. Mr. Williams, upon this court, you are being charged with strangulation. All right, that is a felony, with a bond of $4,000 and a maximum sentence of 120 seconds in jail. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. How do you plead?
Not guilty.
Not guilty? Very well. All right. I guess we can get started here in a second. All right. All right. Can the plaintiff please stand up, come up to the microphone to the front, and then let the members of the jury know your name and then your intentions in this court.
Is he able to speak?
Apparently not.
Broken.
Okay. Let them know of your name, and then let the jury know what you're going to be doing today in court. All right, you know what? Let's go ahead and skip that part. You may sit back down, prosecution. Defense, can you please come up and state your name and what's your intention today? That's attorney, by the way. Landon.
Sorry, I was outside that.
Okay.
Hello, Your Honor. My name is Landon Chase. You can call me Mr. Chase.
Okay, and your intention today? What are you intending to prove?
Prove that my client, James Williams, is not guilty.
Very well. May take a seat. All right, prosecution. As long as you guys are all ready, you may call your first witness to the stand.
We are ready. Can we get our first witness? LOL dog.
LOL dog. All right. You may come up to, and you're going to be to my left. Well, okay, no, you're going to be standing over here. Come sit over here. There you go. Alrighty. Will the witness please stand and be sworn in by the bailiff?
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Alright. Witness, you may be seated. Alright. You may begin prosecution. With the feeling we're going to be here for a little while.
Hey, what's going on? I'll be honest with you, dude. You're about to have to find a new way.
I'm back.
Prosecution.
What's up?
You guys are the defense. Prosecution. You may begin. The witness is up here.
Your Honor, may I please speak?
Yeah, you may.
Is it okay if I can't speak and they send me whatever they want to say? Or is that not possible?
I will allow that.
You will allow it. Okay, LOL, send me in anywhere what you want me to say for you.
While he writes out his little script, someone's about to get fired. Mr. Khan, come up here. Oh my goodness. Come over here. Come over here.
I'm sorry.
Come over here. I swear. I've been up there that whole time, and over here, right? You see this big stain on the ground? This needs to be mopped. Get the mop. Oh my goodness.
Damn.
There you go. There you go. Put your elbow into it. Come on.
Okay. I'm trying.
Your Honor,
Over here.
he sent me the script.
Okay. Mr. Khan, just stand by, alright?
Okay.
Sir, am I allowed to walk up?
Yeah, you may come up to this, yeah, you may get up.
Joe, can you assist me, please?
Miles,
I'm injured.
Bailiff, will you actually assist him? Or, okay. Good enough.
You want me over here, sir, or next to the witness?
You may go by the microphone. You see where the microphone is?
Yep, I'm here.
Alright.
Perfect.
Okay, the witness LOL God mentions on 8/27/24, a significant legal dispute began involving Mr. Williams and Menson. The crux of the matter in Menson's claim is that Mr. Williams' actions during an arrest led to severe injuries, needing hospitalization. These actions were excessive and unjustified. I am the witness to the incident involving Mr. George on the day in question. As I was driving home through the Twist neighborhood, I received an urgent call from Josh Caliber, informing me of the accident involving my vehicle, which I had lent to him. I was instructed to proceed to Lakeville without delay. Upon my arrival, I witnessed Mr. Damper's aggressive and unorthodox methods of restraining Mr. Josh. Rather than following standard procedures and securing him in the back seat of the cruiser, Mr. Damper tackled Mr. Josh to the ground, forcibly cuffed him, and tied him to his vehicle. During the incident, Mr. Josh fell to the ground and requested assistance, but Mr. Damper failed to respond. A civilian ultimately intervened to provide the necessary help. These actions, in my view, clearly constitute an egregious abuse of power and amount of police brutality. Mr. Damper's conduct starkly contradicts the fundamental responsibilities of law enforcement to serve and protect. Consequently, I strongly believe that Mr. Damper should be held accountable for his actions and face appropriate disciplinary measures.
Alrighty, Mr. Caliber. Now, are you speaking for the witness? Because
I am speaking for the witness. Yes, I am.
Okay, so you are speaking for the witness. All right. I'd like to ask: is there any medical records involved in this? Do you guys have any medical records?
We do have medical letters from Fox Mountain Medical Center.
Please hand it to the bailiff.
Sure. Do you want me to DM you it or?
Oh yeah, you could go ahead and DM it. DM me. Just hand it to bailiff, and then bailiff will hand it up to me. Just let me know when you've done that. Okay. Alrighty.
Here's the paper. Could the judge please?
Thank you. Here you go, Your Honor.
Thank you.
This photo right here.
While we're up here, Mr. Econ, please come up here. This is the second time I have to call you up.
Not again.
I sent you the document, sir. Your DM.
Alrighty. Let me take a look at this medical record real quick.
Excuse me.
Come over here.
Yes, Your Honor.
Come over here. Come look at this. Come look at this dust up here. All right. You see this?
Oh,
look behind my monitor.
Again.
That's a spider web.
I'm sorry.
Start cleaning it up now.
I'm sorry.
Goodness.
Oh, here we go again. How many?
Move out of my way too. I'm
How
gonna take a
much
look at this medical
dust
record.
and stuff is there to clean up in this courtroom?
All right.
Your Honor, may I speak?
Josh Caliber. We're gonna just wait one moment. All right. Let me take a look at this. You'll be able to cross-examine in just a moment. Let me take a look at this medical bill.
Yes, Your Honor.
My lawyer was never given a copy of this medical bill.
It was never requested.
I can confirm this, Your Honor.
It was never requested.
You were supposed to provide it.
Okay.
In
in the discovery. So yeah, that record was supposed to be sent in through discovery, but that'll be the first strike for this court, all right? So anything? Is there any other? Just Mr. Caliber, let me know now if there's any other documents that hasn't been given to.
Yes, I can send you one.
Okay, well, have you sent them over to the defense?
No,
have you
Your
sent
Honor,
all your
as they were never
documents to defense?
requested. They were never requested.
Okay. All right. After I take a look at this medical record, we're going to take a 5-minute recess. And then once defense has gotten a little bit of time to look over those documents or whatever's handed to them, then we may continue. Mr. Caliber, please send this to the attorney, the defense attorney, the Landon.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right. I'm going to continue looking at this. All right. We'll be taking a look here in a moment. I'll take a look at this. Insurer required emergency surgery for his left eye due to high debris in it. And
SpongeBob all water.
Your Honor, may I please sit down, as it is very hard for me to stand.
You may. Do you have any other questions towards, or would yeah, you may go ahead. Do you have any other questions towards the witness?
No, sir. I know, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Caliber. Yep, Mr. Caliber and prosecution may take a seat. Would the defense like to cross-examine?
We will, Your Honor.
Alrighty. So taking a look at this medical record, surgery was called for high debris in his eye due to and any more debris in his eye would have caused possible death.
Whoa.
Okay. So the statement was required and provided to the medical center. All right. Okay. Alrighty. And just to be clear, the defense, you guys are seeking $862,583.50 for this court case. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
I think that's the okay. Never mind. All right.
You said defense.
So no, they're seeking that much. Your job is to. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Would you guys like to cross-examine, or would you guys like a 5-minute recess? It's just to you, defense.
Yeah. Can we get the 5-minute recess? My
All right.
information is still sending over to the prosecution.
Yeah.
It's large files.
All right. Then we will be taking a 5-minute recess.
Okay.
All right, let me slap my gavel over here. There we go. All right, 5-minute recess is now in session, so you guys may go ahead.
All right.
Oh, finally! That took long enough.
All right, come here with me.
Yeah.
Hey, who wants to play Brawl Stars?
Hey, Judge?
Yeah.
I'm kind of going through a hard time, and it would be nice if you can maybe be a little bit nicer to me.
Hey, Brawl
See,
Stars are
you
what,
have
Chad?
one job, and you're not even able to do that job. So while this 5-minute recess is happening, go ahead and sweep my area, and then maybe I'll think about not firing you.
I'm sorry. How is it my fault the flag is 2 different colors? What am I supposed to do?
Hey, am I allowed to cross over here for the 5-minute recess?
I would like you not to.
Never.
Wow, this looks cool. Are you spraying the American flag with pepper spray?
No, they told me to clean it with water. It's water.
Oh, it's water? Hey, I think he's spraying the American flag with pepper spray.
Hey, sir, you need to leave.
I need to leave, okay.
We're on a recess break. Alright.
The door's locked. Can you
No,
unlock
it's the
it?
other way.
The door's locked. Can you unlock it?
Yeah, it's the other way. You need to come here.
Oh, my bad.
janitor's thing was really funny though.
Yo, did you see that guy in there spraying the American flag with pepper spray?
What? No?
Yeah, he said it was water, but it was clearly pepper spray. You know?
Oh, that's weird.
Yeah, no. Right.
What is this Tesla doing, bro? Bro, I thought I'm not. Bro, that janitor.
That janitor's crazy.
Nah, I would have just fired him, to be honest.
Just fire everybody at this point.
Fire everybody.
Not everybody, just like some
That was rude.
Yeah.
Dude.
Wow, Rivasi, thank you for the $5.
Oh my lordy lord.
How are you already getting
So
money?
much. I got cash.
Bro, I got
Yo,
money.
GvCars, did you call me?
Oh yeah, I called you because I was wondering if you wanted to like. Well, because I didn't know we had to go on. I didn't know we actually had to go on a stage, but. But I don't know. Is it actually required? Because we got voice chat now.
Yeah. Alright, they said we had 5 minutes, right?
I don't know. Oh wait, I think everybody's back in there now.
Okay, I'm probably gonna go back in.
Okay.
Can we get whoever playing Fortnite to get kicked out of here?
Hey, someone kick this guy out, bro. Yeah, I'll be right back.
Alright.
Man, you really got bullied by me.
Janitor is cooked. Janitor is cooked.
Hey, there's a stain under here. You need to clean that. Come on. Oh, you should be sorry to the judge. Say sorry, Your Honor. Say sorry, Your Honor.
Judge, this officer here is telling me to apologize to you, and I just want to say I'm sorry, Your Honor, for missing the spot on the microphone. There can be a second chance and still consider it for promotion. Thank you, Your Honor.
Promoted to junior window cleaner.
Oh, hey. How you doing back there? So I gotta pull up and be the lawyer.
Hey, can we be a little quieter back here? Can we be a little quieter back here?
Hey, I think the guy up there got disconnected. Alright, can we play? I can't send you guys the link for this. Because this is Truckville. You guys need to join Truckville. Oh, doggone left. Oh, I'm deafened.
No, he wants to do after. So we can go ahead and do that after. So Damper, if you will please share your screen after the cross-examination towards the witness.
My fault.
There we go. All right. Landon, are you ready? Are you all? Is the defense ready to continue?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Perfect. You may now go ahead and examine the witness. I ask that you come speak in the microphone up here in front of me.
Alrighty. Am I good to begin whenever?
You're ready to begin whenever you're ready.
Alright. To address the claims from Josh Callenber and the witness, Christopher Kenny, it is very important to note that Deputy James Williams, my client, acted very appropriately and professional given the situation. Mr. Callenber had fled the scene of an accident, which is a serious offense in the state of Wisconsin according to the Penal Code database. Deputy Williams' use of force was necessary because Mr. Callenber was not complying and posed a significant risk. The body-worn camera footage shows that Deputy Williams' actions were reasonable given the circumstances. Christopher Kenny, who had a personal connection to the vehicle involved, might be biased in his view of the deputy's actions, and as I quote, aggressive and unorthodox methods of restraining is not at all supported by the body-worn camera footage. Josh Callenber also proclaimed that the incident took place near Twist. This, however, is not the case, and we have body-worn camera footage to disprove this claim. And if you would like me to send that to you, I can do that.
Alrighty. So before we continue on, I believe someone called my name. Is that the defense? Someone said judge. Okay. Alright. So let me get this clear. The prosecution's claiming that it happened near Twist. So, alright. So where is this exactly happen? Where did this happen exactly?
This happened at the Wisconsin State Police Department, located near the daycare and across from the fire department.
Okay.
It was on the side road, the main road leading towards Lakeville, and it was in the grass, but it was still on the premises.
Your Honor, if
Okay.
you could present the body cam footage.
Yes.
You may.
If you'd like.
So it's on your stream, correct?
I'm about to start streaming it.
Alright, you may begin.
Okay.
Alright, let's watch this.
Good.
Who played that?
As you can see, he stepped off his head or his neck.
Why'd you steal that vehicle, sir?
And that is the end
Okay.
of the footage.
Alrighty. Just to be clear, jury, did you guys see that? Did all the members of the jury watch that video? Alrighty. Alright. I believe there's one member of the jury claiming they didn't. They did not. Okay. It's fine.
Your
Alright.
Honor.
You may go ahead.
As you can see by the body camera footage and the dash cam footage presented, Mr. Callenber claimed that he could not breathe, and upon him saying that, my client James William, which is a deputy at OCSO, he stepped off his neck in compliance with what Mr. Callenber requested, or Callenber.
Okay. Alrighty. Is there anything else you'd like to cross-examine, or is just that the only video?
That's it. Except
You are going to have more chances to cross-examine later on throughout this court, but just want to make sure that
yeah,
you have so you don't have anything else for this witness?
James, would you like to present the other footage or not yet?
Oh yes, the footage of him stealing the vehicle.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Is
We'd
it
like to
okay if I
display that
present
as
it?
well?
Yep, you may go ahead.
Okay. This footage was submitted by a witness.
Oh no, they got me.
Okay.
Hey, oh no. I know what this guy doing. He's gonna leave me. Hey, look, the Dodge car's out here.
Oh,
and
he's
it's
stealing
unlocked.
it, and he's stealing
Oh,
he just
God.
crashed into WSP. He just crashed into WSP. Oh.
Okay.
The sound.
Do I need to replay that?
I saw it. Did all the members of the jury see that clip?
No.
No? Okay. Alright. Well, it's mainly whole entire jury. Alright. We will continue. So, defense, do you guys have any other examination towards this witness, or is he free to go back?
I believe we are, I believe we plead our case for now.
That's your whole case?
Oh, no.
Okay.
We're good for
Okay.
now.
Lawyer, dog.
We're good for now, bruh.
Okay. Mr. Lawgod2248_Maine, you may go take a seat. Back, yeah, there you go.
This lawyer's probably gonna give me a death sentence for a traffic ticket.
I don't want to food.
Alrighty.
Go back to my seat.
Yep, you may.
What's the talk food?
Alright. So, we got a cross-examination there. That's fine. Now, prosecution, do you have anyone you'd like to call up to the stand?
Yes, sir. We would like to call up VH Gray.
You're not the prosecutor. Or, sorry, I meant to say the defense. My bad. I said prosecution.
Oh, my
defense, do you have anyone else?
Yes.
Okay, you may call your first witness up to the stand.
Courting, Cody.
Do we have a Cody over here? Is he in the audience back there? There you go. All right. Come please take a seat to my right, so your left. Over here. Yep. Over here. There you go. Please stand. Bailiff, please swear him in.
I'm muted. Yeah, alright.
Other side.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the
Yeah.
truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yeah, I do.
Witness should be on the other side of the judge's stand, by the way.
Am I good now?
Should be on the other side of the stand.
Other side.
Side without the computer.
Mr. Courting,
Yeah.
please head to the other side.
Oh, alright.
Thank you.
Alright.
There you go. All right. Defense, you may go ahead and start your examination towards him. That's you, Landon.
What's up?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
So
Dude.
you just called up a witness to the stand. So
Oh, yes,
you're gonna
yes,
need to go ahead and ask them some questions. So please
right.
come stand up, and there you go. All right.
Alright. I can begin whenever.
Yep.
Alright.
I can't hear him, Your Honor.
Can't hear him?
Oh my.
Is he on voice chat or is he on Discord?
He is talking on Discord.
Oh, I can't hear him. Hold up. I don't have him. Okay. Is it cool I rejoin?
So we'll move you back in.
Yeah, you can rejoin the call.
Hello?
You there? You can hear us?
Can you hear us?
Witness.
Cody? Recording?
I can't hear anything what he said.
Hold on.
Bro.
Can you not hear on Discord?
Bro. Can you hear?
Yeah, I can hear now. Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. Okay, so recording, I would like you to present your statement if you would. Because you were the one recording that. Recording.
Gordon, you there?
Wow. This guy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I don't know if I want to call a recess because that took forever, so everyone just bear with us while Gordon gets his mic working. Go ahead. Bailiff. You lost one. We lost the juror. Okay.
Okay, I'm back. Oh.
Okay. They disconnected. All right. Would anyone
I'm
out
back,
of the audience
yeah.
would they like to become a juror? One of the jurors.
I'll be a jury.
Okay.
I'm down.
Okay, yeah.
No,
Mr. Econ, Mr. Janitor, please come up, and you could be one of the jurors,
Hold on,
right?
Your Honor. Right in front of my desk right here, there's a massive spill that he seemed to not got up.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh,
I can see that. I can see that.
Yeah. Oh, Your Honor.
Okay.
Can
No,
I
you
get
can check your
Your Honor?
DMs.
Can I get a allergy pill? I'm getting allergies from all the dust coming from the chair. Can I get some allergy
my
like?
painkillers, please.
I need some allergies, man. I'm
All right,
allergic to
everyone.
all this
Well,
stuff.
you guys are gonna have to sit through this because now Mr. Econ is no more a janitor for this rest of the court. I mean, maybe a little bit through. If I need
Okay.
him.
Can we like finish this up because my mom is yelling at me for not signing a document.
Okay. Well, you can go ahead. Mr. Landon, are you ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, go ahead.
Oh my gosh. Okay, Your Honor. So, my client, James Williams, a deputy at the Outagamie County Sheriff's Office, responded to a crash and was provided with a brief description of the suspect. Upon arriving at the scene, he observed the suspect running down the side of the road on the grass part, which was captured on his body-worn camera. The footage was just presented a minute ago. The suspect, who had a history of offenses including assaulting a peace officer, failure to yield to oncoming traffic, failure to identify to a peace officer, and disorderly conduct, was subsequently apprehended by my client, James Williams. During the arrest, my client tackled the suspect to the ground and placed him in handcuffs. To ensure the suspect was fully restrained and to prevent further escalation, my client used his foot to pin the suspects next to the ground. Upon Mr. Callenber's request to remove his foot from his neck, as he quoted, "I cannot breathe."
Okay, Mr. Landon, or Mr. So the whole point you calling up the witness to the stand is for you to ask them questions.
Oh, I thought it was the jury.
No, the jury's here to listen.
Idiot.
Bro.
So you kind of need to ask.
I was just told.
No. You're not.
Bro.
I'm here to like referee this court. All right. The whole point is they're supposed to be listening. All right. Now,
So I would like to
Yeah,
ask the
Mr. Bailiff, it is leading, but that also could be an objection. So, can you please ask questions towards the witness?
I would like to ask the witness for his statement on what the plaintiff did.
Of like what? Can you explain to me what should I my statement about
Like
the
from
crash or about the foot? About the crash or about the
Crash.
foot or both?
About the
The
crash.
theft, the theft, the
Theft.
theft, the theft.
All right. Calm down back there and
Okay,
defend.
so since Landon's asking me about the crash, so what happened was I had my windows down, so I heard Damper and was it Sheriff Damper and I believe Sheriff Hello or Blackout, I don't remember his name, telling the Mustang that he can't go through the active crash site, which is involving my car, and since my car was in the Damper, I swear.
Okay, what is that sound?
I think Damper's
Him
a little bit
smashing his
mad.
mic. Yeah, he smashed his
Okay.
mic.
Listen, we need to have order in this court. All right. I shouldn't be.
Yo.
I shouldn't be hearing all this smashing back there. All right.
What
While the
just
witness is
happened,
knocking,
bro?
you guys have to
Alright.
be quiet for it.
Your
all
Honor,
right?
Your Honor, can I explain
Go
my
Yo.
Yeah. So what happened was as I said, the sheriff told the plaintiff that he couldn't go through a active crash site at that time. My car was involved that crash, so since it was already in the middle of the road and it was still somewhat drivable, I was trying to get out of the road. And what happened was the plaintiff in his borrowed Mustang went around the crash site, and as there is a video of it, I have him straight up crashing into my car when he was told to not go through the road.
Alright.
Okay.
That all?
It was just about the crash site, yeah.
Hold
Oh
on.
yeah, and then
Hold on. No, hold on.
Your Honor, maybe pause this for a bit. I believe Damper kind of crashed his laptop,
Okay.
his PC by hitting it
what
on the side again.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and order in this court, please. We're gonna go ahead and take a 5-minute recess. All right.
Yay! Finally!
And then my PC crashed as soon as I did that.
Let's go! Hey, gather over here if you want to play Brawl Stars. Gather over here if you want to play Brawl Stars. Let's go. Gather over here. Hey, everybody, gather over here. Brawl Stars. Brawl Stars. Let's go.
Hold on, give me a minute.
Hey, Brawl Stars. Let's go. Brawl
I got
Stars.
it.
Okay.
All right, Brawl Stars.
Who do you guys think you guys are talking to now? I understand all the disrespect when I was a
Alright,
janitor, but now I'm a real deal. I'm a jury now, okay? I need some respect in this courthouse. You two understand?
Hey,
you
y'all
two
got
think
Brawl
you're so
Stars?
brave with that puffy uniform from you guys? Trust me, I'm the real deal here.
Oh, yo! Oh my God!
From over here. All right?
Star goes in champagne. That's bad. Good job.
Yeah, it would.
Yeah, be my
Well,
section,
I guess.
loyalty to the kids.
Be more of
Oh,
a
that'd be my
felony.
You think you're the killer?
Look at this!
It's okay. You're just gonna have to sit there. Well, you're okay.
Personally, I go with Sparkle. It cleans everyday messes, and it won't clean out your wallet. Amazing. Amazingly affordable.
Sparkles and champagne. VIP my section, royalty looking sexy, you know that be my thing.
Huh?
Wow, can I sit inside the car?
Bro, what's up with your lawyer, bro?
Wow. When you have voice chat, it's a look hard.
No.
Can I rev it?
Is this coming to the game?
No.
Can I rev it?
None.
Oh, man. Wow, wee!
Wow, is this coming to the game?
No, bro, it's literally a Chevy.
No.
Bro, it's literally a Chevy. It's not coming to the game.
No.
Do you see a Durant? Do you see a Durant logo on the truck?
Yep.
Wow, bro, you're smart. Also, we already have like 2 6x6 in the game.
Can we please continue this? I like want to get it over with.
That's my Prius.
We're gonna be waiting for Damper. Is Damper back? Okay, order in the court. We're gonna be resuming in 10 minutes.
Okay, I'm back.
10
Please
minutes!
make your way back towards, back into the courtroom.
Wait, hold on. You said we're resuming in 10 minutes?
No.
Alright, Damper's back. Alright, check.
Your Honor, if Damper isn't present in the court, don't we automatically win?
I am present.
No, he is
court.
present. He's to the right.
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah, Your Honor, do we have anybody? You got anybody here who could bring some water over here?
Who's speaking?
I need some
jury?
Me. No, witness.
Oh, you're to
I need
my
some
left.
water. Yeah, I need some water. I need to clear up my throat.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bailiff will hand you some.
Not a sour spray, thank you.
Oh, bailiff, hand him some water.
I need some water.
Alright, is everyone back?
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
Oh yeah, I need my water. Thank you. So you went to my fridge?
Yes, ma'am.
I locked my room. Okay, anyways. Alright.
Does anyone have any water I could use? Because I'm very thirsty and my throat is dry.
Your Honor, can we please get this session going?
We will. I'm just waiting. Okay, so we have everybody ready.
Yo, bro, can I have some of your water? I'm kinda
Defense,
thirsty.
are you ready to continue with examination?
How do I turn this down?
Can I have some of your water? I'm kind of
Defense,
thirsty.
are you ready?
I think.
Yep.
Are
what
you
is
may
it?
then continue.
Your Honor, I have a do we need to show any recording of the crash of the my car getting totaled by plaintiff?
That's not
The crash is not relevant to this court.
exactly.
Okay,
There's no
well,
relevance.
Your Honor, I would like to
Landon
see the
was-
video.
Oh, okay.
Who is this? Is this?
I'm the injured person.
Why would you need to watch the video over something?
Yeah, why would
you're
you like to watch?
Because I would like to
There's
briefly
no
explain what happened to that video and how it happened and how it leaded it all to this.
Okay, well, we're not taking that. That evidence is not going to be admissible in this courtroom or for this case, at least.
Yes,
so this has no relevance for this.
Yeah, can we go on? Can we go on? Thank you.
Yes. Can we keep
All right, Landon, you may continue.
Alright,
Yep.
so, first of all, how would you like me to call you? Cording, Cody? What would you like me to call you?
Mr. Coppolt.
What?
Mr. Coppolt?
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Coppolt. Did Mr. Callenber, when he crashed his car, his Dodge Magnum, into the Wisconsin Police Department, after that had happened, did he run from...
Okay. Let's pause right there. So we just said the car crash had absolutely no relevance.
No, this is a different one. No, this is there's two. No, there's
Okay.
two.
So this is a second one. All right.
Yeah, this is a second one.
Okay. All right, you may continue.
Clarification, because my lawyer.
Alexa, what's my address?
Okay. Okay, anyways, did Mr. Callenber run from my client James Williams when he was going to arrest him?
Yes.
Okay. Did Mr. Callenber resist arrest from my client James Williams?
Hi.
About which incident?
My Saturday's
About
been most satisfactory.
Okay, anyways. About when he was running on the grass field alongside the WSP. Did he resist arrest?
From my knowledge, yes, he was not.
I'm kind of forgetting I'm live
he
right
wasn't
now.
responding to any of the officers' orders.
Okay,
What I
please
saw
stop, witness.
was
What's your objection? What's
I
your
was never
objection?
resisting. I was never resisting arrest.
Based on what grounds?
Okay, yeah. Wait, hold up. That's my line. First of all, on what grounds and what objection are you calling?
I was never resisting arrest. The video, the document provides the video, and it shows me never resisting arrest.
Oh.
Okay, so this is prejudicial objection. Do we
Hold on.
want to watch that video and examine it?
Yes, Your
Alexa,
Honor.
tell me a joke.
Right, Mr. Damper. Actually, yeah, Mr. James Williams. Can you play that video for the prosecution to take a look? Okay.
Y'all, if you're in the crowd, please mute your mic.
And if you're a fan of the ghost with the most, I've got jokes galore in the new
Alexa,
Beetlejuice movie theme.
Stop.
To bring this theme
Right.
to life.
Let's take a look at this.
They heard it. Okay, I'm gonna
You may
stop.
begin.
Oh shoot. Oh, this is the clip.
Sir, on the ground, on the ground, on the ground.
No.
No.
Stop resisting, sir.
No. I'm not muted. Okay. I mean, I am muted.
Get off my head. I can't breathe.
Why'd you steal that vehicle, sir?
Okay. Do I need to replay it?
It looked like it went through correctly. Right.
Your Honor, as you can see in that video, I've never resisted arrest when he tased me. And along to that, what LOL God mentioned, he never said taser, 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 giving me a warning.
Your Honor, he did tell him to get on the ground, though, and he did not comply.
Okay.
You can see in the video.
Couple things I can point out from that video. But it is totally up to the jury. Jury, did you get to examine that video? Did you guys watch that? Okay. All right, perfect. From what is showing in the recording, right? It's completely up to the jury to go ahead. But as claimed, there was no taser warning, but the officer did claim to get on the ground. Myself, I didn't see any resisting, but the
Your Honor.
Go ahead.
I'd like to back up my claim about the resisting part. The defense did say about stop resisting, and so he could put in cuffs. If you watched the video, you would have heard the defense saying stop resisting.
Okay, but to be a little bit more clear as well, but as soon as the officer pulled out their taser, defense was the person that got arrested in the video was kind of running away until the taser was pulled out, fired. So,
If I also,
I would,
Your Honor, if I also may add something. This video was a recreation of the event. The true footage is still true to most of the aspects of the event, but at the time there was no actual footage because I wasn't recording, obviously.
Okay.
And so it was my fault to repeat taser, taser, taser during the recreation. So I don't know if that part's still valid.
It should be.
That's totally up to the jury, but we will continue.
Okay.
Anyways,
is there any replays needed of this footage from the plaintiff?
We're going to be good from here.
Okay. Sweet.
May I continue, Your Honor?
You may continue.
As my client said, it wasn't a recreation of the video, and with that, I would like to continue questioning the witness.
You may.
Okay, so, Mr. Copal, or whatever your last name is, I would like to ask you if my client, James Williams, did he continue to put pressure on his neck with his foot after Mr. Callenber claimed that he could not breathe?
No.
Okay. And I think that is going to be the last of our questions, Your Honor.
Okay. Prosecution, would you like to cross-examine the witness?
I would like to mention. Actually, I would.
Lawyer saying no, sir.
I would like to mention. Did I just hear you talk, bro? I would like to mention that he was using deadly force when it was not needed. Initially putting his foot on my neck. I don't really believe that was a necessary procedure from him. As we can ask the juries that.
Okay, well, it's not really asking the jury. It's more of claiming towards them. So when it comes into consideration, they can consider that. But right now, do you have anything other to claim?
No, that is all, Your Honor.
All right, the witness is excused. You may go back to your seat. All right. Let's go take a look. So both parties were able to have a witness come up. Do both parties still have another witness?
I do not believe we do.
Prosecution, you guys have another witness.
Mistaken, but...
can you repeat it again, once again, Your Honor?
Does prosecution have any more witnesses?
Yes, we do, Your Honor. Can we get the janitor up here, please?
The janitor, okay. I actually believe I was looking through
Your Honor.
discovery. There was another witness towards prosecution.
Your
His
Honor.
name is Mr. Milkshake. Go ahead. Defense.
Yes, there is one more witness.
Yeah, we do. We do
Mr.
have one more.
Milkshake.
Yeah.
Okay, so you guys do. All right. So then we'll go ahead and begin with prosecution. Mr. Econ, you may come sit up here, right next to me. Mr. Bailiff, please swear him in.
Why is High Star up there?
Yeah.
What was that?
Why is High Star up there?
I mean, does he have any relevance towards this case? That's towards you.
I got called up here, man.
Okay, hold up. Let's go ahead and pause right here. Defense, does this gentleman right next to me have any relevance towards this case?
No.
Yes, Your
he
Honor.
has zero. No, he
Yeah,
has
okay,
zero
yeah.
relevance to this case.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Prosecution, please explain the relevance of this man right next to me.
Your Honor, that witness right there, he was at his house and witnessed the whole accident.
Mr. Econ, is what the prosecution saying, is he telling the truth?
Objection, Your Honor.
What's your objection? On what grounds?
They were never in the session.
Yeah. It was just about
Stand. Mr. Econ, you may... Yeah, he was never sworn in. All right. Mr. Econ, you may... so the objection is sustained, so Mr. Econ, you may get out of your seat and go back towards... back to the audience. Mr. Prosecution, let's actually bring in witnesses that actually were in the session and at the scene at the moment in time. All right?
Yes, Your
Do
Honor.
you guys have...
can we pull Gray here?
If you have evidence that is claiming that he was there, then by
Your
all
Honor,
means...
Your Honor, Gray was in the session. He heard everything. He was in the vehicle with Mr.
Okay.
LOL God.
I think there's some miscommunication. You said for the janitor to come up here. Now you're saying Gray.
Yeah, I just mixed up the names.
Yeah, he said my name on accident.
All right.
I was thinking about the janitor cleaning up that spill. That's why, Your Honor.
Alrighty. Mr. Gray, please come up to the stand.
Landon, you're supposed to get down.
Oh, sorry. I was tabbed out. Gray, right there.
Come to my left.
Where all the witnesses have been sitting.
Come over here, Mr. Gray. Over here. There you go. Righty, Mr. Townsend, please swear him in.
Please raise your right hand. You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
All right, you may be seated. Alrighty. So, prosecution, you guys you may start examining him.
Joe. Let's see.
Ready? Okay, we're gonna be here for a little bit. Alrighty.
Your Honor, would you like me to go up?
You may be seated. Just please read what Mr. Joe is going to be reading towards Ray.
Got it. I will be reading what Gray has mentioned.
Is there any questions towards Gray first? I don't know why he's up here without being questioned. That's kind of the whole point.
Well, I would like to ask Gray, were you at the scene of the accident? Ray, did you happen to hear or see anything that Deputy Williams has done? Ray?
Okay.
Okay, Ray, do you have a statement that you would like to talk to say? Okay, that's great. Your Honor, may I read the following statement he has sent me?
You may.
I, Gray, am the witness of the incident involving Mr. Josh. As of today, I was in the car with LOL God _ clean. He received an urgent call from Josh Caliber telling him to go to an accident in LOL clean vehicle. We had driven there and arrived shortly without delay. Upon our arrival, I and LOL God witnessed Mr. Dapper being really aggressive and unorthodox methods of detaining restraining of Mr. Josh. He was then taxed by Mr. Dapper and forcefully cuffed them, tied Mr. Dapper's shoes and requested out. And Mr. Dapper failed to respond to Mr. Josh when he fell. A civilian ultimately intervened to provide the necessary. These actions, in my view, clearly constitute violations of abuse of ground, the good amount of police. Mr. Dapper's conduct solidly contradicts the fundamental responsibilities of law enforcement to serve and protect. I also do believe that Mr. Williams should be held accountable.
Mr. Caliber, if you can be a little bit more clear while reading towards the jury. Okay, you're fine.
Would you like me to reread that?
Jury, were you guys able to understand what Mr. Caliber was reading out? Oh? Okay, the foreman was not able to understand it. Foreman, was it the whole thing you were not able to understand, or was it just a part of it? Okay. Mr. Caliber, if you may please go ahead and repeat the full claim. Mr. Caliber, if it is... Okay, actually, continue.
I, Graham, a witness to the incident involving Mr. Josh. As today, I was in the car with LOL God _ clean. He received an urgent call from Josh Caliber telling him that he had an accident, LOL God _ clean vehicle. We had driven there and arrived shortly without delay. Upon our arrival I and LOL God clean witnessed Mr. Damper being really aggressive and unorthodox methods of detaining and restraining Mr. Josh. He was then tackled by Mr. Damper and forcefully cuffed, then tied to Mr. Damper's cruiser and requested out after he fell. Mr. Damper failed to respond and to help Mr. Josh. A civilian ultimately intervened to provide the necessary help. These actions, in my views, clearly constitute the aggression's abuse of power and the good amount of police brutality. Mr. Damper's conduct starkly contradicts the fundamental responsibilities of law enforcement. I strongly believe that Mr. Damper should be held accountable.
All right. Is that all for the claim?
That is all, Your Honor.
Objection, Your Honor.
What grounds?
Inadmissible statement and leading.
Oh,
also for
dog
leading.
on left, guys. Dog on left.
Well, in both pieces of evidence, no one was driving by the roadway.
Okay.
Also, no other people came over to the accident area. If I had like actual real evidence, you could see on both my vehicle dash cam and my body cam, the only actual person near the incident was Cody.
Your Honor, what accident are we talking about? Are we talking about the accident near WSP or Lake?
We can barely hear you.
We are talking about the one that led to me standing on his neck.
Your Honor, we are talking about what happened at near the Lakeville accident on how he was doing police brutality.
So irrelevant. It's not relevant to this court case.
Yeah, Your Honor, this is...
Yeah.
Your Honor, this connects on how
No, but the judge already said the judge already said about the first.
Crash is irrelevant.
All right, order in the court. Okay. All right. All right. First of all, there's no reason we should be talking over each other. All right. Now, the reason that this court was called upon was towards the case of Mr. Damper over there for strangulation of one of the people getting arrested at the moment in time. All right. Now, I'm going to call the defense first. Defense, does the claim that Mr. Gray was making have any relevance to this court case?
No, it doesn't.
So no relevance. Prosecution, does it have any relevance?
Well, now that they said that, there's no relevance, Your Honor.
All right. So then it's going to be sustained for the leading and relevance. This claim is going to be fully canceled over. Mr. Gray, please head back to your seat. All right. We're going to be now going over down to defense. Does the defense have any witnesses they would like to call up to the stand?
Yes, Your Honor. We'd like to call the plaintiff up to the stand.
The plaintiff?
Yep.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Will the plaintiff please stand? Come to the stand.
Joe, can you help me out, please? Officer, please don't touch me. Thank you. Well, can you help me with my chair? Thank you, Joe.
Alrighty. Mr. Townsend, can you please go ahead and swear in the witness?
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Mr. Joe, please take a seat. All right. Will the defense attorney go ahead and start standing and start with examination?
Yes, Your Honor. May I continue, Your Honor?
Yeah, you may go ahead.
Okay. So, Mr. Callenber, I'd like to ask you a couple of questions. I'm going to start off with, why were you at the WSP station?
Can you repeat that, please?
Why were you at the Wisconsin State Police Department?
Yes, I was at the WSP station because I was previously arrested to the prior event that happened.
What was this prior event?
It's irrelevant according to you.
Okay. Another question. Why did you decide to run from my client, James Williams?
I never decided to run. I was actually thinking to myself, how did he get there so quick if no 911 call was reported?
The
Okay,
WSP
well-
station can send out information to law enforcement officers.
Yes. And Mr. Caliber, I would also like to ask you why you didn't stop when a cruiser pulled up on you with their lights and sirens on, got out of the vehicle, and proceeded to ask you to stop, and you did not comply at all.
Well, first of all, how would I know that police cruiser is coming towards me if it's coming at a high velocity of speed? How would I know it's coming directly towards me if it's going high velocity speed on the road and I'm over there walking by? How would I know he's coming towards me? Tell me. Please explain to me. He could be going down to another 911 call that would be down the road. Tell me.
Mr. Caliber, he pulled off on the road onto the grass right in front of you with his lights and sirens on, and he proceeded to get out of the vehicle and start yelling at you to stop
Also,
moving.
the vehicle was traveling at 20 miles per hour when it was next to you.
Yes. So, how come you didn't stop when he asked you to?
Because I was afraid. Because he previously arrested me.
So that gives you the right to just resist?
But I was never resisting. When he cuffed me, I was never resisting. Give me one moment. Give me 1 moment, please. Give me 1 minute.
Okay.
This is Bruh. Bro, who played that?
Why did everything
Okay, Your Honor, I'm back.
What was that?
Your Honor, I'm back.
Okay. May I continue, Your Honor?
You may, sorry.
Alright, you're good. Mr. Caliber, like, I'll repeat myself. Why were you resisting arrest when he clearly was shouting at you to stop moving?
Well, I was afraid, and how would I know it? How would I know he was gonna pull out a taser on me and just tase me? How would I know? I would have stopped if he would have said taser, taser, taser. Because that, I don't know if you know what that feels like, but that thing, it's like molecules in you.
So you aren't gonna comply with an officer unless he's using reasonable force, is what
Well,
you're saying.
Your Honor, can I please ask you to, whoever's in the courtroom to be quiet?
Any background noise in the court? All right, so whoever played that,
Oh.
dismiss
Come
them
on,
from
bro,
court,
get him out of
please.
here.
Please write down their name, actually, because they're going to be held for contempt of court. That's played one more time. All right, you may continue, witness.
What were we on again?
I was asking you why you were resisting arrest from my client, who is a deputy at OCSO, and you replied with, because I was afraid.
I was afraid. Because how could I know if he was talking to me? Because my back was turned to him. My back. He could have been talking to the other citizen that was there.
So you did not see Mr. Williams in your peripheral vision?
I did not see him with my vision, and I did hear him, but I didn't dare to turn around because
Okay,
I
so
don't want to be like involved.
So when a cruiser pulls in front of you, blasting their lights and sirens, and they run out after you, yelling at you, mind you, he pulled in front of you, so that you'd more than likely notice him, and he ran after you and was yelling directly at you. No one else was around to stop, and you proceeded to say just now that you were afraid. And then you proceeded to say, "Why would I stop? I would have stopped if he yelled taser, taser, taser." So are you saying that you only would have stopped if he used reasonable force, or?
I would have stopped if he used reasonable force.
So again, you weren't complying with his orders.
Yes, but my question is, how does he end up putting his leg on my neck and not allowing me to breathe? Please tell me.
Well, the reason for him placing his leg or his foot actually on your neck is because you imposed a risk to him. I mean, you weren't stopping, you were resisting.
Yes, but I don't believe stopping my breathing. I was down. When he tased me, I was on the floor. I wasn't moving. I don't know why. After I was on the floor, he decided to step on me. He was walking on me actually, and decided to step on my neck.
Because
His body cam footage shows that walking above on me.
Also, why would you be afraid if you had just stolen a vehicle and crashed it into a government building?
I tapped it.
Okay, so
do we need to present that evidence again to show he didn't?
Your Honor.
I don't think it's relevant.
Okay. Does the car hitting the WSP building have any relevance towards?
Yes, it was the reason why I had tackled him to the ground and it was actually appearing to the call.
Can we pull up the insurance claim?
I had received the call from the WSP station because I was right next to it. Immediately headed over because the building had just been damaged by recklessness, and that's why I was over there. Given a brief description, not by a 911 call, but by a physical call in from the Wisconsin State Patrol Station.
Your Honor.
Go ahead.
Do we have any insurance claims about this?
It's not more about the insurance claims, but I have not received any insurance claims.
Okay.
I will ask this towards. I will ask this towards the defense attorney. Does the vehicle hitting the WSB station have any relevance towards Mr. Callenber receiving the level of force that he received?
If you watch.
Okay.
Affirmatively.
And Mr. Williams, do you agree with that as well?
Yes, I do.
If you'd like me to elaborate, I would be more than happy to, Your Honor.
You may go ahead. Just please do not ask any questions towards the witness at this time.
All right, understood. Okay, so my client James Williams, he was patrolling, and he got called in to the WSP by the station because of the incident that had occurred prior to the arrest of Mr. Callenber. And so when my client pulled up to Wisconsin State Police Department, obviously someone running on the sideline in the grass with little to nobody around, obviously it'd be kind of suspicious, right? I mean, if there's sidewalks around, who would be running on the grass?
Please note this was a recreation.
Can I
repeat that, please?
Can we pause for a minute? Okay, hold on. Landon, you just contradicted everything you stated previously. Every single statement.
What do you mean?
You just contradicted the fact that you said that I was given a description, the fact that I was patrolling.
No, I was gonna get to that.
Okay, whatever.
Your Honor, I don't find this relevant.
It's not part of the court case.
Anyways, my client was given a description of the suspect by Wisconsin State Police Department, and when he arrived on the scene, he saw a man who matched the description running in the grass. That's the relevance to this. Your Honor.
Your Honor.
Dude, my mic's been muted. Holy crap. Mr. Williams, would you like to go ahead and withdraw this statement?
Which statement?
Mr. Statement that your lawyer just claimed, saying contradiction. Okay. All right. And does the witness agree to this?
I'd like to plead the fifth.
Okay.
Okay.
May I continue questioning the witness, Your Honor?
How many more questions do you have?
Probably one or two.
Okay. Please make them hurry it up a little bit.
All right. So, Mr. Caliber, again, you were arrested for resisting arrest and running from a police officer. So, why should the jury believe that your rights were violated if you were properly charged and the charges were never disputed?
I was on the ground. I was being stepped on. I had a foot on my neck, not allowing me to breathe. I could have easily been cuffed without that matter. I couldn't even move because I was tased.
You matched the description, Mr. Caliber, and you imposed a risk to my client.
A risk? In what way?
You matched the description of the call.
But in what risk?
You could have had a weapon on you.
Why would I have a weapon if I was just dismissed from WSP?
I don't know.
But you also hopped into another vehicle, which could have contained a weapon in there.
Yeah, we don't know.
I'm speaking directly to the lawyer. I don't see why you're speaking.
Okay, well, you hopped in another vehicle. You could have pulled a gun out of that car. We don't know what happened.
Why would there be a weapon in that vehicle?
Well, what's the reason there couldn't be? That's the thing, we don't know. That's why it's a risk, because we don't know.
I'd like to call to the defense attorney, or if there was any evidence coming towards discovery, has there been any weapons or any evidence collected, or?
I do not believe so, Your Honor.
Yes, yes, there was
ask
in the
my
police
client.
report. The police report could not be finished because the session had ended after the after he was cuffed.
What a coincidence!
I can present that evidence to you right now on file, where it is written that he had a knife on.
Your Honor, I object to that.
Okay, well, a witness cannot object towards a statement from the defendant. If your lawyer would like to go ahead and object, then they may. But, Mr. Landon, do you have any other questions towards
No, Your Honor, I do not.
this witness? Okay. This court session has been in progress for way too long. So here's what I'm going to be claiming. We're going to go ahead and take... Actually, I'd like everyone to stay in their seats, but we will now have the jury go ahead and make their verdict. So if the bailiffs... if one bailiff actually can stay in this courtroom, and then the rest of the jury, please get up and follow me. Mr. Foreman, you are going to be the one that is going to be calling the verdict, all right? After discussing, all right? So,
Your Honor.
yeah, you may go ahead and take a seat. All right.
Bro, I need water.
Okay. So, is like half the jury deaf or something like that? Can you guys go ahead and please follow me?
Who chose this jury?
I mean,
Yeah, I need water.
the next recess, there is going to be no more recesses. Once the verdict has came in, come through here.
Your Honor, may I please go sit down next to my lawyer?
You may. Witness is excused. Come over here.
Joe, come help me.
I need water.
Okay, so jury, you guys may go ahead and start. Oh my goodness. Go ahead and discuss what you guys think. Guilty, not guilty. Take it to a vote.
Hey, Tova, I got an empty
Yo,
bottle.
my
You
AirPods
want
about to
it?
die.
Okay, so that's one. So 1 towards guilty, correct?
Tova, I got an empty bottle. You want it? I got an empty
Oh,
bottle.
okay. All right. So you guys ready? So just go ahead and type out or write out what you guys think. Yeah, just say it out, please.
Guys, we've been in here for like 2 hours already.
Okay, Mr. Colt.
They locked the door?
Mr. Nuts Gamer. Mr. Nuts Gamer, where are you going? Mr. Nuts Gamer, please come back. Mr. Nuts Gamer. Oh my goodness.
Nuts.
Mr. Nuts Gamer, come back.
Nuts.
Mr. Nuts Gamer.
Wow.
Who is this Mr. Nuts Gamer?
Of course. Can I please have one person from the audience come be... Okay.
No, he's a witness. He can't go.
Wait,
you can't be. You're a witness, sir. You can't be a jury.
Jury?
Yep, right here. You, Mr. GvCars, follow me.
Okay.
Okay. Come over into this room.
Where?
Right.
Where you at? Wait, where are you at?
Over here. Where else? Come look. Do you not see me in front of you?
It's dark in here.
Oh my goodness. Come in. Okay, Mr. Shamar. Guilty, not guilty. Alright, order in the court. Next person to get up or go crazy is getting kicked and striked from the session.
My lawyer left, sir.
Mr. Shamar, it's fine. We didn't even need him. Mr. Shamar, you didn't even do anything. To be honest, so.
Honestly, he did nothing. I don't know why he
Mr.
was
Shamar.
here. Bro.
Mr. Shamar. World to Shamar.
Can one of you guys bat him again?
Bro, Mr. Shamar didn't watch half the videos because every time he asked him, he just said no.
Okay, well, just based off of all of the talking and witnesses. Restrooms is, I don't even know. It's my first day here. Okay.
First day.
Like first day in this building. I'm like, you know. Okay, well, stop questioning my authenticity. All right, Mr. Shamar, guilty or not guilty? Okay. Mr. GvCars?
Guilty.
Okay. Mr. Okay, well, now it's a half vote. Mr. Highstar, what do you believe?
I believe that the deputy is...
Okay. Alright, everybody please take a seat. We will be discussing. Everybody please take a seat. Jury, take a seat. Alright, the court has now came in.
Hold on, give me a minute.
Hurry up. Order in this court. Alright.
Alright, we're now jury. Chat. We're now jury.
Alrighty. Is everyone ready?
I know, Azir, it's cool.
Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Based off of the evidence provided towards the jury, the foreman has discussed with me, and it has came down to a vote. Mr. James William, you are being held accountable towards the charges of strangulation.
No!
Which hold, no! Wait, I didn't say guilty or not. Hold up. You are being held towards 120 seconds maximum time in jail. All right. Now, based off of the verdict, the foreman I've discussed, and it has come back to Mr. Williams, you are guilty.
Yay!
Mr.
Yo, he's faking an injury. He's faking an injury. He just did the split. He just did the split. Yo.
No way.
What?
Order in this court. Order.
Yo.
Yo, this is turning everything upside down. Oh my god.
Order.
He was never
Silence.
No.
Hey. Oh my goodness. Okay. Now listen, Mr. James Williams, you have approximately 72 hours before you have to report to the Wisconsin State Patrol building and hand yourself in. Failure to appear to the Wisconsin State Patrol building will result in a warrant out for your arrest.
Yo.
Right?
Yo. Your Honor.
Your Honor, he just jumped and moved. And he was having to
This
help
kind of
around.
sketchy.
Yeah, he's faking it, man.
That's faking.
He's a fraud. He's a fraud.
Listen. Order in the court. Order.
We need to redo that verdict. We need to redo that verdict.
Order. No recess. Order in this court. All right. There is no faking medical records. All right. I was sent a medical record by the Fox Valley Metro Hospital. All right. And those are real medical issues. Now, I don't know how extreme they are, but based off the records that you guys were able to observe as well.
Did you happen to read the name of the doctor on those records?
Fake documentations.
Because I very clearly remember reading that documentation, and the last name of the doctor was Caliber.
Yep.
Let me take a look.
That's kind of fishy, ain't it?
What?
Your Honor, I did not.
Shocker!
Oh my god.
Yeah. Yeah, that's kind of fishy.
Can you please explain where it says the doctor? There is practitioner. No, the practitioner, which is the doctor. The name under it is Fox Mountain Medical Center. So there is no doctor under this name, but it is under the Fox Mountain Medical Center.
Why is there no doctor under the name, huh?
Yeah, why is there no doctor under the name then?
It's under the practitioner name
I
due
just
to.
went to the hospital, and that's the document they gave me, and I'm using it as my backup.
Sounds like a counterfeit document. That's what that sounds like.
If there's no practitioner signed on the name, sir, if there's no practitioner signed on the medical document, it cannot be submitted to a court.
Yeah.
Okay. First of all, to start with, I'm gonna explain off of your first thing. You're claiming that you saw the doctor's last name was Caliber. Now, I'm gonna have to say that is false because the practitioner name under it is Fox Mountain Medical Center. Now, if they're using a building, it could be one of the staff members in there. Mr. Caliber does not have any relevance with Fox Mountain Medical Center, therefore cannot be, unless it was a counterfeit document, but it would have to be approved. I mean, we can't have counterfeit documents. It just doesn't work like that.
So how would
it has to be approved by them.
Document if there's no practitioner listed?
So it could be under where the document came from, which comes from the staff of the Fox Mountain Medical Center.
Yes, but if a major medical procedure had to have been performed, the practitioner's name must be written on it.
There's no practitioner name, but it's under the company.
Can I ask, what was the vote?
Building.
Like, was it like 4-2 or like a 3-2?
It was a tiebreaker. It was a 3-2. Yeah, it was a tie originally, and then one other person was the one to break it.
Your Honor, I have a question. Will I be getting the settlement of how much I asked for?
Now, well, I mean, now that the defense has bring it up to my discretion that there is no practitioner name, so this is what will be happening. Now, I believe that the document is real. I wouldn't say it's counterfeit just because there's no practitioner name on it, because it could be from the staff, the secretaries that were the ones that published this document. Now, the charges against Mr. Williams will still be held accountable. Therefore, he will be subject to head down to the Wisconsin State Patrol station in 72 hours to turn himself in. Now, for the compensation that you will be receiving, there will be no compensating until that I get a document or a specific email with the practitioner's name and their signature claiming that they are the ones that did the surgery. Is that understood?
That is understood, sir. And I have, Your Honor, I have one more question. Is he going to be dismissed from the OCSO department?
That is not under my. That's not under my rule. It is completely under the OCSO. Off of what they're going to go ahead and do with it. So
yes,
I can't just fire someone from their job. The federal.
Hold up, G Phil. Question. So just like in real
you
life,
refer to me as Your Honor. I'm not answering your question.
Oh my bad, Your Honor. Yeah, my bad.
Disrespectful,
Wouldn't he have
man.
Would he have like 24 to 72 hours to appeal the lawsuit verdict?
There's no appealing. A verdict came in. unless that document was counterfeit. If that document was counterfeit, and they prove that in the 72 hours that they have, if they are able to prove that document is counterfeit, then this will be a mistrial. Verdict will be discontinued, meaning that Mr. Williams will not be going to jail, and instead Mr. Callenber will be tried for fraudulent documentation, which is also against the court. Therefore, he will be tried.
But didn't he just walked?
That doesn't have anything to do with it.
Your Honor, I just want to give you a side note. I can't still walk. It's just very painful, and all the injuries occurred above my waist level.
Okay. Well, again, I mean, just because just to explain this to everybody else, even if, let's say I have a cast on my arm, I can still slam it on a counter or whatever. It will still hurt, and it'll probably do more damage, but it doesn't mean I can't slam it.
So you did the splits and tilted your head back with no issue and no pain at all. Just plop down on the floor, tilted your head back, and there's just no pain at all.
And sprinting.
Your Honor, yeah. The only reason I sprinted is because I disconnected from the service. Your Honor, I will get you that medical documentation signed by the guy who did my surgery.
Okay, so let me explain this one more time. This will be the last time I explain this. For right now, what is going to be happening, a verdict has been called. Mr. Williams, you have 72 hours to report to the Wisconsin State Patrol station, all right? And you will turn yourself in. Now, between that time, you will have that time to be able to prove to me that that document is counterfeit. And if it is counterfeit, then what will be happening is all charges against you will be dropped, and Mr. Callenber will be held in contempt for court, and as well as fraudulent documentation, and that is a felony. So that's what he'll be. It'll just be switched up. Now, let's say that you guys were not able to. Prove that is it is not fake. Then, Mr. Williams, you'll be heading down to jail either way. To the station. Now, Mr. Callenber, to answer your question, you will not be compensated until you get me a practitioner's name, and they will have to actually sign an affidavit claiming that they are the ones that completed the surgery on you with a signed signature.
Yes,
is that understood? All right. Yes, so all $832,000 and some change will not be given to you until I get that signature. Is that understood? Both parties. Defense, is that understood? Oh. That's Landon Damper. Do you guys understand?
Yes, Your Honor. Okay,
so until you guys can get me a signature, then this court is adjourned. Thank you all for coming down to this court. You guys are all free to leave. That's all.
Oh, finally!
Bro, fuck this court, bro. I just wasted 2 hours of my life for this shit.
They ain't ready for what we got next. Ain't that right? Ain't that right? They ain't ready for what we got next.
Oh shit! Because the practitioner.
Oh no, we resuing this shit, bro. I'm suing.
They
Now
ain't
we
ready
suing,
This was
bro.
all
We
fucking
suing,
fake.
bro.
This is
They
all
ain't
fake
ready for
because
what
the
we got
practitioner
next.
should have signed it way before.
Not really. They sometimes they don't even
Yes,
put
they
the
should have.
practitioner's name.
Okay,
I've-
yeah, but he just
there
said
was
his
a
injuries
document.
were fucking waist below and he did the splits. Are you dumb as hell, G Fuel?
I said waist
bro.
above.
Like I said,
You say
like I
waist
said.
below.
Listen. Like I said, okay. Let's say you have a cast on your arm. Does that make you immune of still breaking your arm into more pieces? Of course not. You can break it into more pieces, but the cast is there to help you. Now, of course, it's gonna hurt more, but it doesn't make you immune to it.
Yo, Your Honor, hold still, Your Honor. Your Honor, hold
Wait,
still.
hold up.
Your Honor, hold
Oh,
still.
Oh my
End the
goodness.
session.
Your Honor, hold still.
Yeah, end this, bro.
Yo, he's AFK.
Shit was
Your
ass,
Honor, hold
bro.
still, bro. Biased ass fucking juries, bro. Biased ass
Fuck
juries.
these juries, alright?
I swear to God, that shit would make
you
this
fumbled,
shit in real
alright?
life.
I want everybody to hear this.
Hey,
Listen.
hey.
I want everybody to hear this. The whole point, the jury all said not guilty, except for one.
Alright, well that was the end of that. Thank you guys so much for watching today's stream. I really hope you guys enjoyed that special roleplay. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.